Need to learn how to do jump cuts like this? Stick around, we're going to show you how to do it in just a second. Alright, so right now we are in Clipchamp, and Clipchamp is a free system that you can find online. We're going to go ahead and jump into creating a new video. So I've imported the media. You can take a video of yourself or whatever. I'm going to add it to the timeline. Jump cuts is focusing on one particular person or object at a time, depending on how important you think it is. So right now we've got two people in the scene, and I think if I play it, she's talking first, right? So what I want to do is, it looks like she stops talking right at about this point. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it right here, select this part of the scene, the initial part of the scene. I'm going to stretch it out, and then I'm going to play it. Let's take a look at what it looks like. And then it kind of zooms out, and then you see him talking. So if she is the main character in your particular script, you want to focus on what she's saying, but you also want to show what he's saying. You can also, later on, jump back to her again. So right here, she starts talking again. I'm going to cut right here. Make sure that you are extending this scene right here. So you select it, just click it, and then extend the edges, move it to where you want it to be, and there you go. So let's go back and play it. And he starts talking. Another jump cut happens, and there we go. All right? If you have any questions or comments, leave it on down below. Have a great day.